Hello, this is Tom with the Tractor Rescue Ranch for the next installment of the Corley sawmill build. Just wanted to show you I've got these two beams milled down really nice and smooth, so it's absolutely perfect. I did that with the milling machine, the CNC milling machine. I didn't figure there was any need to show that since I've shown that milling machine several times in the past. So I've got those two beams all cut down to size and everything, so now it's a matter of tearing this carriage apart. So I got the wood separated from that angle iron on top, and I'm going to just set the angle iron and the upper carriage work aside, and then I'll put the remount the new wood on the axles. So here we are. I thought a little bit about leaving this wood and not rebuilding it, but I'm glad at this point that I did. Right down in there are a couple bolts that hold that axle on, and it's really wet under there. You can see a little bit. Originally was orange paint. Most of the pictures I see are red, but that may have originally been red and it's just faded to orange. I'm not sure on that. But we're getting it apart to the point that I can get them axles off and get my new boards on. And I gotta apologize for my last video where I was running the Bobcat. It's really hard to run that Bobcat and film at the same time. But what I did on that is I fast forwarded, or I sped up the video so it wouldn't take so long, and that really made it go crazy. So I'm trying to do a little bit better job when I'm filming in the Bobcat now. Anyway, that'll take care of this episode, and thanks for watching.